Sonali Chitale. This is my baby, Kaizen Design Accents. It started as a showcase for architects and designers and people in the hospitality industry mainly, to showcase the finishes and the quality and the range of products we can give them. It has now grown on its own, defined the road it wants to travel, and we do interior design. We have international brands of drapery and upholstery. We also offer international brands of furniture, and apart from that we manufacture furniture, and so basically we work with factories and artists across Southeast Asia and India. So we can offer any material, whether it's for furniture or for finishes, for wall accents. For instance, I work with about 10-12 ceramic artists. So there's a very wide range which can be very client specific or project specific that I can offer my clients. The same goes for all the other products and materials. So, we've moved into this location some time back, but we've just done it up, and I just felt that I want to start bringing these people I work with to showcase their works and kind of redefine and share what Kaizen is about. So they were a perfect fit. I love ceramics, so there's a ceramic artist, and I love natural dyes, natural fabrics. That's my passion. So getting someone who does eco printing and the kind of subtle, exquisite, elegant work as Renu does was a no-brainer for me to start with, and I hope to bring in many more shows and exhibitions to Chennai. We've been in this location now for about little over a year, but there were a lot of things happening earlier, so it took a little while for me to kind of relaunch, and this is like a new beginning for me.
Gupta, and I do eco printing on natural fabrics. Eco printing is all about taking nature and natural dyes and wrapping them up into one of a kind piece of art which you can wear, and then we turn them into garments. Today's collection is about the Symphony of Nature, so it's natural leaves, colors of the fall, and the leaves are guava, jamun, silver oak and eucalyptus. Well, this is something very new for India. I don't think there's anybody else really doing a collection like this. It started with this lady in Australia, India Flint, and I kind of started experimenting with eco dyeing, and that's how I came up with this. And of course, the main thing about eco dyeing is it takes a lot of time and effort to experiment, and each piece is different, and that's the exciting and frustrating part about it. I've been doing it for about 1.5 years, but I'm still experimenting, and I still continue to experiment because that's what I get my pleasure out of, experimenting. In Chennai it's only for 2 days, otherwise I'm from Delhi and USA, so I travel a lot, so the garments are available in Delhi and USA. Thank you.
I'm Tanuja Jain, a ceramic artist from Delhi. I've come to Chennai to showcase my work for the first time. My forte is I use different clay material and different techniques to fire, and I've got a varied range of things which I've got from Delhi. This is a copper. I've used black clay and pit firing for some products. I've used porcelain which I import from China to make some of my dinnerwares, and they are microwave and ovenware proof because I fire to very high degree, 1310 degrees centigrade. And then I have stoneware also, and then I have brown colored porcelain also. So I work with different techniques to different material and different techniques to create different ranges. And one of the ranges I do is wood firing also, where I fire my products in a wood kiln, and we do reduction firing, where the firing is very beautiful effect it comes.